In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Apply to All feature in Capcut. This is a simple but powerful time saver when you want consistent color across multiple clips in the same project. Start by opening Capcut and heading into your project or creating a new one. Make sure your canvas or aspect ratio matches where your video will be published, like 16:9 for YouTube or 9:16 for vertical platforms. This ensures that what you see while editing is exactly what you'll export later. Next, add your clips. Import all the footage you plan to use and place it on the main video track in the order you want. It helps to quickly scan through the timeline to confirm that everything is lined up and that there aren't any accidental gaps. If the clips are from the same scene or shot under similar lighting, you're in the perfect position to take advantage of the Apply to All feature. Now, make your color adjustments on a single reference clip first. Select a clip that best represents the overall look you want across the entire edit. Open the color or adjustment controls and begin with the fundamentals: exposure or brightness to set overall light, contrast for depth, saturation for color intensity, and white balance to correct warmth or coolness. If skin tones are important, keep an eye on temperature and tint so they look natural. Small, deliberate changes usually lead to better results than big swings. Take your time here. Toggle the before and after view if it's available, so you can see the impact of each slider. Play a few seconds of the clip to make sure the adjustments hold up during movement and lighting changes within that shot. Avoid crushing shadows or blowing out highlights. Aim for detail in both bright and dark areas. When the image looks balanced and cohesive, you're ready for the time-saving step. Click on Apply to All. You'll find this option in the same panel where you made your color changes. The moment you apply, Capcut copies those specific adjustments to every clip on the timeline, giving your entire project a unified look. If one or two clips were shot in noticeably different lighting, consider this your baseline. You can still click into those individual clips afterward and fine-tune them without affecting the rest. If the global change isn't what you wanted, simply undo and refine your reference clip, then apply again. That's it. Open Capcut, add your clips, craft your color look carefully, take a moment to perfect it, and then use Apply to All to roll it out across the board quickly and consistently.